Okie doke, the recipe for today is monkey bread. It's Gigi Hadid's monkey bread. You need biscuits. Make sure you get the buttermilk biscuits, not the flaky ones, or the ones with layers. Cinnamon, butter, brown sugar, white sugar. You're gonna need a bowl to mix your cinnamon sugar, something to put your biscuits on, a pan to melt your butter. It says to use a bundt pan. I'm doing a half batch, so I'm using a bread pan. I also have kitchen shears to cut the biscuits and a spoon because you always need a spoon. You're gonna cut the biscuits into quarters. If you're doing the full recipe, you're gonna need 2 cans of biscuits. All right, I've got all my biscuits cut up and I mixed my cinnamon and sugar together in a bowl. So you're just gonna take a biscuit piece, roll them in your hands, make sure you grease your pan, and then you're gonna just roll it in the cinnamon sugar. Throw it in the pan. Do it a bunch of times. This is a really good recipe, like if you have a little brother or sister, you guys could do this together. I used to make a similar recipe when I was a kid with my sisters. We would make 2 loaves because there were 5 of us, and we did it together, and it was fun. All right, I moved over to the stove. I am melting my butter. When it's all melted, I'm going to add the cinnamon mixture, just a half cup. Well, I'm doing a quarter cup because I'm doing a half batch. And then some brown sugar. And then we're going to boil it and stir it until it's all dissolved. The recipe made a lot of cinnamon sugar. You're going to have plenty left over for like cinnamon toast, stuff like that. Then we're going to pour this over the bread that we already have done. Put it in the oven. That's it. This is looking pretty good. It's not totally dissolved, but it's like liquefied and mixed together really well. So I'm calling this good. I turn off my heat. Pour it over. Be very careful doing this. This stuff is like lava hot. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so gonna be good. Make sure everybody gets some. So it looks like that. It's about half full. It's gonna puff up when it bakes. I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 for a half hour. All right, I'm in the middle of making the other dish, but the monkey bread is done. I took it out of the oven, let it set for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna see if I can flip it onto this plate. See that? Look at how gooey it is. I'm gonna get all the goo out of the pan. That's the monkey bread. I have to try a piece, you guys.